so while living in Hawaii, I've actually picked up free diving and a little bit of spearfishing. So I picked up a pole spear and just shot my first Manini. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook that for you guys today. First, I'm gonna go ahead and dehead this fish and gut it. Then clean this out, some water. Get all the seaweed and all the guts out of the fish. We're good. All right, so you don't have to descale it, but I'm gonna descale it anyway, just because I can. Descaling this fish with the back of a spoon, just scraping the opposite way of what the scales are on the fish. So next I'm going to mix my cornstarch with my salts and pepper so I can go ahead and batter the fish up for some flavor. I'm just gonna mix this up so that's all kind of evenly coated. So when I put the fish in it, it gets the seasoning all around. I'm gonna go ahead and pat this fish dry so all the moisture is off the fish. We don't need any of that. Make this thing all dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and batter this fish up in the cornstarch that's mixed in with salt and pepper. Get a good solid coat on both sides. Tasty. All right, now I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my pan here and heat up the olive oil. Once you have your olive oil all warmed up, right now I currently have it on a medium setting on the stove. You can go ahead and place your fish in. Shake it off a little bit to get any of the extra excess stuff off. And go ahead and place it in your pan. And we'll go ahead and cover it with a splatter screen or a lid. All right, we're gonna pop this bad boy out. Should be done. And there you go. You got your pan fried Manini. Delicious.